Myself, Romesh Puskar from BTech Department, Electronics and Communication branch, BBAU Lucknow. This project under the guidance of our respected Nimisha Pandey ma'am, and my topic is environmental issue. It's called air pollution. Purpose of this topic to draw your attention and can alert you about this horrific scenario in spread all over the world. So basically, pollution consists to the chemicals and particles in atmosphere that pose the serious health and environmental threats. But what cases of air pollution or what do we mean in our planet? So some air pollutions come from the natural activities like volcanic eruption, wildfire and allergies. But many pollutions come from the human activities such as the energy used in agriculture. So there are the different types of the air pollution created by human activity. And we use the fossil fuels, we produce the energy and release the greenhouse gases. The emissions such as the methane, carbon dioxide and nitrogen dioxide and fluorinated gas, he trap the heat of sun and leading to rise the global temperature. And it's also creating the cycle where air pollution contributes to climate change, and climate change created the high temperature. In terms, high temperature intensify different types of air pollutions. For example, the climate change increasing smog because smog informs the presence of the high temperature and increasing of ultraviolet radiation. And second one is the smog. So smog is also the air pollutant component. It created by the high sunlight and decreasing the visibility. And smog can divide into two categories. Number one, sulfur smog, and second one, photochemical smog. So sulfur smog. So sulfur smog. Sulfur smog is basically created by the chemical compound sulfur dioxide. It acquires the burning of sulfurs and fossil fuels such as the coal. And second one is a photochemical smog. Photochemical smog also low level ozone. It created by the nitrogen dioxide and high heat temperature from the sunlight in our atmosphere and ultraviolet compounds. And third one is a toxic pollutant. Toxic pollutants like the benzene, dioxin, benzene and many other compounds. Now in this project, I conducted the survey between the 20 to 25 years age group in different fields. I simply asked the questions about this horrific scenario. The first question: do you believe that the air pollution is harmful for all living beings like humans, birds, and micro creatures? And the answer 95% say it is yes, and 5% say no. And my second question asked as the youth, the air pollution is the whole responsible for human being. So 2% says yes, but 5% says no, and 5% also says neither yes or no. But I don't know what you say. But this is I got the conclusion. As the youth of nation, remember air is the most important material for our planet to keep alive. So all types of pollution impact for all human beings and living beings, also living beings. It is our responsibility to take a different initiative for a nature, and there are the solutions. We can limit the toxic pollutant, smog and greenhouse gases by reducing the fossil fuels, transportation and manufacturing, reducing contribute the better environment, but also such as the for better health. It can slow the rate of global warming.